Woo, he got money. Yeah.
I got that gas.
Yeah. What's up, you guys? So we are on our way to Big John's Eatery to go meet my cousin and my bestie and my fiance. Let's go. It's so hot. It's 89 degrees outside. We're going out to lunch. So I'll see you guys when I get there.
Sorry about that. I was just happening. So,
Hey, miss. What it do?
How about you?
It's on me. Wait, I'm boss.
What's going on,
You know what it is? What's that?
You can put down payment on it.
I can put what?
You can put a down payment on it. For what? A dog? Well, we got some chickens on my crib. Hey, it's really good.
At the end. Say what's up. You're gonna be on the vlog.
Right now? Right. Hey, please edit a little bit, bro. I'm just kidding. She's a professional, bro. She knows. Hey, with them edits, all you do.
Thank you.
Hey, all right. Nigga nervous. I'm camera shy, bro.
Just say what's up. That's it.
Bro,
That's it.
Okay. No. Don't overthink it, bro. Why you thinking so much?
Huh?
Look at it and say, what's up?
What I'm gonna say? What I'm gonna
Just say what's up.
What's up? What's up, Barry Gang? Or BerryFae family? What's up? Big John Eatery? You gonna come back? No? Hey, please edit, bro.
I'm not editing nothing. What's up?
Hey, yo.
Do you guys want anything else?
Can I get some water, please?
We got some
We
food.
about to
We
bust
got
down.
Amy.
What's up?
Yeah, okay.
About to eat.
Yeah. Okay. I'm working.
Hey, Big John's Eatery. Are you? Let's not go to the one food.
Go ahead, first bite. It's your first time here. Go ahead.
First time. So look, first time. You gotta get a lobster. That's good. You cross it out.
Trying to act. Yeah.
I'm taking another bite. Bro. Yeah. Mix my hand real quick. Feel me? The potatoes, how
Yeah.
they hitting? 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Yeah, it's so smooth.
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10?
Yeah. It's bustin'.
You taste the potato? When you eat it, it melts in your mouth. So delicious. Wow.
So delicious.
So good. Oh, man.
Okay, food critic.
You guys are good. Yeah,
Big John.
Hey, Terry, grab that hot sauce. What was that right here?
Get that hot sauce when you take it?
This one. Had eggs bacon before? Appreciate it. Have a front. Have a front. And it's a lot of food too. How long you had this open?
I think just about to hit 2 years.
2 years? 2 years? It's good for 2 years. Already?
It's about to be. I'm pretty sure.
10 out of 10 for real. Who's your chef back there? Is he cooking it?
His wife. His wife, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, his wife is the chef.
Wow.
Cool. Wellington?
Fairground, right?
Fairgrounds right there. See y'all.
Hi. Hey, you know, double up coming soon. I'll give her a free shout out right now because you know she already getting big.
Oh, you already know.
Hey, add me on Instagram. At Amy's Artist.
I'm gonna put your Instagram on here.
I don't got no Instagram, but it's coming soon.
You need to make it like this week.
Tonight, on flight.
I look good.
Okay.
This year, Mali.
So y'all gonna make your decision if y'all gonna come? You're gonna stay?
Hey, I ain't driving. I told you I ain't
Y'all gonna stay? Let's take a picture. Let's take a picture.
Definitely.
You know me, I need my pictures.
You know what? Let me bring out this beautiful camera.
Joy.
I ain't gonna count that shit.
For real?
Yeah, bring out this beautiful camera.
Test the baby, see.
Yeah. It's a shitty phone, but good camera. Yeah, that's it. Apple already, bro.
What is it, an S, what, 12? Don't play. Roomaway Street? No, we're at Roomaway Street, right? Huh? Yeah. What you feeling like? What quality is giving?
I think you should do. Can we like turn to the light? Or you trying to get in?
Vale.
Yo, see everybody. It was a good deal.
Who's
Nice to
that?
see everybody. We gotta definitely link up again.
Yeah, tomorrow.
I'm with it.
One more day. Y'all can leave like at noon.
I pull it like this.
Ain't nothing wrong with what you got on.
What about now?
Just go take it off right now. Put it on the in the closet. Ain't nobody gonna see.
At the church. I don't know. When I go to church, I like the church clothes.
Yeah?
Church clothes, you know.
It's okay.
It's called that's it's stolen.
Exactly what it's brainwashed in me, bro.
You been brainwashed.
Just a little casual shirt with a dress pant.
That's not church appropriate.
You've been banished.
They would look at
Holes? No, he good. He ain't got no holes.
Your mom would have went home and whooped your ass.
That's kind of where our culture's kind of like collide up on.
Yeah.
I'm like, yo, that's straight.
I'm like,
I
don't be wearing no holy clothes to our
I don't
church.
have that same convention. Like, I'm at church. That's what I got on.
Yeah,
That's it.
you know what I'm saying? Well, you
No.
gonna feel that? You gonna feel their eyes in the back of your head.
Hey, papi, tit, eh. Nigga, hey, papi, tit, eh, say. How your mom doing? That lady right there. She call you every day? Bro, I know it.
One time, it's like, just like, I'm getting feel like, I'm at work. She talking to the girl. I'm like, bro, nah. And the lady's like 40-something years old too. I'm like,
Oh, she tried it. Just.
all right, y'all.
Alright, I gotta ride.
You definitely want to let y'all know.
Just stay.
Alright, bro. Good to see you.
Leave after y'all say hi to everybody and everything.
Oh my God, Tristan. Right there?
Huh? That's your son's car, right? Woo, he got money! Yeah!
Oh my God, that
Yeah! That Charger. Or Challenger. I said Charger.
I gotta move some stickers off of that thing coming on.
You be racing?
Nah. Sometimes.
Mm-hmm, I know it.
Sometimes. Yeah, I've been going to the car wash. And then the machine, the machine just be.
You're not supposed to go to car wash?
I didn't like regular car. No.
What?
Yeah, you get a detail. The brothers are special.
Yeah, we start taking it off. Take it off. Because it was way straight. Yeah. And I started seeing that.
You put it yourself?
No, it can't like that.
Dang!
I'm told to get a matte color. Matte would be
I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna get a wrap. I'm gonna take all that. Yeah, I'm gonna get a wrap.
What kind of wrap you think you're
Probably
gonna do?
gonna do it dark. You know what Matte looks black or something like that.
Matte is nice. Do a nice color. Don't do black.
Or I was thinking about
Do like a charcoal gray, something that nobody. Yeah, I was thinking about like a hunter green. Not
green.
Green.
Like
Got
a-
some nice matte greens. Bro, when
I don't like to be, you know, I want the police to see me like.
You gonna stand
Oh, they
out?
gonna know. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna stand out.
All right, matte black. It is, then, bro.
Like I got, because with this car, I got pulled over like 20 times already. Yeah, for no reason.
Just because you look like one of them.
One car pulled us over and he came to us. He was looking like
He like, oh my bad.
oh, you're the wrong people. And just drove on.
What the heck? That's why we need more black cops.
Mind
Gotta
you, he
change
was
that
telling us, we saw him all the way back there. We were like, he gonna follow us.
Just already know. We need more black cops, bro.
Yeah, it's two of them.
This girl always be panicking. Bro.
I'm like, what are you doing? Good, my life's good.
This girl always panic. Remember that time we was skipping school?
Man, I would never bring her a kid, bro. I would never skip school and want to get
No. No.
First like, what if daddy found out?
And then we jump in the gate, she pulling us down. I'm like, girl, we're supposed to be going over, you pulling us down. What are you doing?
That was the good time. Skipping school.
That was probably the most fun day I ever had at school.
Especially
Skipping
Jack caught
school.
y'all.
Skipping school.
Yeah. I was hiding under the bed, bro. When I had that.
We used to run away from my dad, her dad, Kenton dad.
I'm gonna edit that. Say hi to vlog.
Hey, bro, where you at? It's too late to be proud. Alright, hey, what?
Ow! Graduate! Woo! Yeah! Great. You're so ghetto. Hey guys!
No. I know you're not talking shit. Hell no, I'm on your ass. Watch out. Excuse me, Judy. Yo, man. Look at your hair. I didn't have to do about that figgy man. Oh. What's wrong with him? What's wrong with this nigga? He thought he was on over there.
You had to talk his smack a little bit, but he popped down.
Tell him fix this before he talk about my face. What's wrong with him? Man, take a camera, bro. Hold on, put it up.
Y'all funny. Hey girl, oh my god! I ain't had that so long. Oh my god. Anywho.
They hate me, baby. Yes, it is.
Who hit you? No bonsoir. Let's say bonsoir first. Bonsoir, you didn't hear cut.
She slapped my arm. And then I gave him a hug. She slapped my arm. She slapped my arm and then look at my head. No, I didn't. I want to look at your hair. I'll be wrong, bro. Where your wing at? Where your wing at?
You're dumb.
Where your edges?
She got edges. Don't even do that.
You want to know? Work on that, right? Both of you. Oh, thank you.
This is my life, okay? I gotta get rich off of this.